Hello, my name is Erilania Douglas Viloria Severino. I'm going to talk about parts of my house. My house has a laundry room, 3 bedrooms, a living room, a kitchen, a bathroom, a terrace, a garden, and garage really well. This painting yellow with cream. You have doors that are painted black. The chicken is small, but fine for us. In the chicken, there is a window, there are curtains and yellow. There is a stove and washing machine. In front there is a refrigerator and a sink. In between there is a right table and 2 right shelves. Oh, there are some cupboards too, for pots and pans, dishes, and so. Next to the chicken, there is a living room and a dining room. On the left, you can see the dining room. There is a glass table and 4 chairs and black iron. There is a cabinet with glasses and DVD, and there are some pictures on the walls. To the right is the living room. It has a sofa and 2 green burgundy armchairs. Everyone in the world has a favorite place. Some people tend to stay in their workplace, and some people like to spend time in restaurants. But I am introvert and mostly enjoy spending time in my house. I love my house, and my favorite room in my house is my bedroom. My room is very nice and comfortable. I spend most of the time in my room. The first is that I sleep in my room, so it is the place that gives my maximum relaxation. I also like watching movies and novels in my room. Some people like to watch movies in your living room, but I think otherwise. I want privacy, and my bedroom is the only place I can eat, no noise, no disturbance. I will say that my room has all the things a person can dream. I have TV, air conditioning, bedding, and a sofa, and a closet. The interior of the room was done by my mother. Is a beautiful decoration. The walls light purple color, partner curtains, furniture, and partner green cushion. Bye.